Wow, I just want to do a quick video on Square, also known as Block. This stock was down 5% today. For some reason, every stock that I touch, it tends to go down. So why it's down is because they actually had a huge outage yesterday that took the entire day for them to bring up. So it's outage at payments platform Square puts merchants in a bind. The payments platform Square was hit by widespread outages Thursday and Friday, leaving business customers around the U.S. unable to access their accounts or process credit card payments. The payments company said in an online post Thursday that it was experiencing a disruption that is impacting some Square services. The company also stated it was investigating a disruption with one of its data centers. We can confirm that the disruption to Square payment acceptance has been resolved, a spokesman for Square said Friday afternoon. As we continue to get all functionality back and running, we are investigating what improvements we need to make to prevent these situations in the future. So hopefully they figure that out, because right now people are getting out of Square and they don't trust it because the businesses, small businesses, are losing money if Square is down or Block is down. Let's take a look at this chart here. Let's go to our 3-year daily chart. What an ugly, ugly chart. You can see this stock hit a high of $200, $289. This was back in 2021. And look where it's trading at, $53. We haven't hit the low yet. November, it hit $51.34. We were pretty close to there. I thought it would bounce off to $55, which it did. Hit a high of 60, came back down, and now we are down because of the outage. It just so happened the other day they had a downgrade. Let's see. Block shares lack upside, says UBS, but this rival stock could be a winner. Block stock gets a downgrade while UBS turns bullish on Toast shares. I'm not into Toast shares, I'm into Block, and I don't know what I'm going to do at this point. I'm down on AMC, I'm down on Square. Yes, it's been a nightmare. And we can see a lot of puts are being bought. Today, 17,000 for the 53 strike. Even next week, we have 3,000. So I do have a lot of put spreads and some calls. I'm down pretty big in Square and in PayPal. So what do those two have in common? They're fintech stocks, which I should have just stayed in one, because if they're both down, lose double the money, right? And honestly, there's just a lot of negative news surrounding Square and even PayPal right now. Even though they just got a new CEO, it doesn't matter. The stock is still down from its all-time high. Same thing. It was at almost $300. Now it's trading at 60, so pretty close to Square. I'm just very annoyed of all the stocks that I'm in are currently down to 52 weeks low. Yes, this stock, it's not quite oversold. Not like before. Here it was 27 on the RSI. So every time it did hit below 25, it did have a bounce. So again, we don't know what next week is going to be like. If they have another outage, the stock is going to plummet. There's just no good news. And what I don't really understand, this stock was trading at $80. This was just in August. A month ago it was at 80. So it dropped 30 points, little more than a month. So you can see I have 550 shares, $66 average. I got in around earnings, which I should have known that I was going to go down because PayPal went down, but nope. Decided to get in and play earnings, and here I am. I'm down quite a bit on Square. So Square, PayPal, AMC are my biggest losers of 2023. Is this going to turn around this year? I don't know. I hope so. Let me know your thoughts on Square, and are you buying the dip? And thanks for watching.